how to stop singing from your throat, how to free up your voice, how to allow yourself to sing high notes, and how to allow yourself to sound big and powerful. Let's talk about it. In the singing world, there's a lot of talking about diaphragm and belly breathing and how to support your voice correctly, breath support, how to breathe the correct way, and how to sing the correct way. So what does it all mean in practice? Well, what we want to be able to do is to detach our singing from simply happening here. We want singing to be happening in our whole bodies, because if you just focus on this part here and you want it to do all the work, then you're going to end up feeling very fatigued. Your voice is not going to last very long. You're going to feel tired. Your range is going to be limited. You don't want that. So you want to use the other parts of your body that are able to help you. But this is all kind of confusing, right? What do I mean precisely by that? Well, I'm going to demonstrate how I think about it. And I want to demonstrate it with sounds so that you know what to do exactly if you want to fix some of your singing issues. So to me, the difference between singing from your throat and singing with your body is kind of like the difference between these two sounds. You get the difference? None of those sounds is particularly bad or wrong or unsustainable, but if you elongate them, it is kind of shallow, it is kind of high larynxy, not very pleasant sounding. The other one, there's body to the sound, there's warmth, there's depth. The larynx is placed comfortably. And it feels like I could do this for hours without any fatigue or anything. There's a roundness to the sound. And if you try to go higher with the first sound, you quickly going to run out of space. You're going to run out of resonance and the sound is going to be kind of splatted. But with this one, there's something to go into because you've got place to go, you've got space to move. And that is what you get from supporting your voice correctly, from supporting it from below and using your body as this energy container that you can take from and elevate your voice to the next level. So definitely experiment with this, have fun with this, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.